Hello there! In this video I'll show you how to replace the battery in the key fob of a Skoda Octavia Mk2. That's the key which looks like this. And guess what? It's a quick, easy job and all you need is a small flat-headed screwdriver. Welcome to Car Spy TV. Okay, here's how to change the battery in a Skoda Octavia's key. Step 1 is to press this silver button so the key's blade pops out. Next, turn the key over and look at its back. Note this lower section. That's the battery cover and it has to be removed. To do so, turn the key onto its side then push here with your thumb until the cover pops loose. Now the cover is loose, pry it off completely with a small flat-headed screwdriver. And we can now see the battery. Before removing the battery, note what type it is and which way it's facing. In my particular car key's case, it's a CR2032 and the positive side faces upwards. Now, it's likely as not that your key's the same, but best check to be sure. Next, pry out the old battery with a screwdriver. Insert its replacement. And push the battery cover back into position. Finally, of course, we want to check the key's actually working, so I'll press a button. You keep an eye on the rear indicator. Ready? There we go, no problem whatsoever. Nice easy job. Now before you go, you may want to bear in mind that there's plenty more Skoda Octavia content on this channel, with still more to come, so you may want to subscribe now so you can keep up with that. Right, that's all for today. I'll see you next time.